When purchasing a Gator, we get asked lots of different questions. Some of the common ones are, is it four-wheel drive? How fast does it go? How many people can it fit? And what would I use it for? If you need a two-wheel drive Gator, look at our TX and TC models. If you're looking for a utility 4x4, the HPX 615 and 815 are the way to go, with a top speed of 25 miles an hour. If you're looking more of a recreational vehicle that has a higher top speed while still being four-wheel drive, our 560 and 590 models are for you. Depending on how many people you need to fit in your Gator, you can look at our 835 and 865 for 3-seating. If you need 4 seats, you can look at our 825 S4, our 855D S4 for the diesel model. We also offer the 560 and 590 in S4 configurations. This is our XUV 835R Gator. This is the top of the line premium gas model. Full cab, HVAC, AC, heat, power dump, cloth interior, four-wheel drive with rear differential lock. In this model you have roll down windows, a flip up windshield with windshield wiper and rear view mirror, as well as this insulated cloth interior for noise reduction. You also have 3 wide seating and lots of cargo space. Gators are all about performance. With the power dump and the high capacity bed, easily will haul 1,000 pounds in the bed and 1,400 pound towing payload capacity. These are highly customizable tools. They come with hundreds of options. When you come into the store, tell us what you're trying to do, and we will be able to point out everything that you need to make this your dream vehicle on the ranch.